Capital Markets Authority has distanced itself from any responsibility in regulating cryptocurrency here in the country. Appearing before the Wildcoin Ad Hoc Committee to present a report on the legality of Wildcoin operations, the authority, however, stated that there is a need to pave way for technology to evolve and benefit the country. Mevin Getembe now reports.
I, Wycliffe Mchese Shamia, do swear
as the probe to establish the legality of WorldCoin operations in the country continues, appeared before the Ad Hoc Committee, the CEO Wycliffe Shamia stated that it was neither their mandate nor their role to regulate cryptocurrency.
Just to say from number one, because we are not legally, of course, regulating cryptocurrencies, we haven't had that responsibility coming within our mandate. But because cryptocurrencies is a digital form of, medium of exchange, it will not be part of directly the securities which are defined within the Capital Markets Act.
The committee sought to know under what act the authority used to derive regulations, if Sandbox program was effective, and whether cryptocurrency is a legal way of exchanging currency.
Because number one, we had the DG of the Communication Authority here, and he also proposed a Sandbox solution that is more inclined to ICT, but also has a lot of component in terms of cryptocurrency and related technologies. I just want to know, in your view, and I'm sure you've had a look at some of the other regulations in similar markets outside the country, where you're faced with a situation of a foreign company wanting to be inducted into the regulatory sandbox within our country. Do you have within the regulation any clauses that speak to that, in specific to foreign companies, and what are they, so that we also have knowledge of the same?
The CEO noted that there is need to pave way for technology to evolve, saying that if legal framework and measures are put in place and followed accordingly, then WorldCoin can be of benefit to the country, especially in raising revenue.
Currencies. So as you look at this, maybe it will be wider, because there are other assets other than cryptocurrencies. So I think maybe out of here we should have maybe now a policy which looks at the wider space, because there are players who will be in the other space of the crypto assets, or what we call digital, some call them virtual assets.
Revenue. The authority now says it will work closely with the committee to facilitate investigation into the matter. Mevin Getembe, Lookup TV, Nairobi.
Excellent reporting by Mevin Getembe. Now, President William Ruto and Foreign and Diaspora Affairs CS Alfred Mutua have led the country in sending condolence messages to the state of Libya following catastrophic flash floods in the coastal city of Derna. As at noon today, other 5,000 people had lost their lives and 10,000 people reported missing. The floods were caused by a huge Mediterranean storm that burst dams. A statement by CS Mutua read in part, "These destructive floods reflect the effects of climate change, where African Union countries continue to face disproportionate burdens and risks from unpredictable weather events and patterns. We, therefore, stand in solidarity with our brothers and sisters in Libya and all Kenyans at this time of profound national grief." Well, that particular story of,